This is Essaouira fish market. These are big seagulls, and beautiful looking seagulls as well. So you can come here and pick your fish, and they grill it for you, and you can eat it in the restaurant over there. I'm talking to no one. No, I'm not. So they've got a load of spices. In these stalls. Oh, these seagulls are definitely hanging around for the fish. Whoa. Lots of cats here as well. Here's all the spice stalls. They've got Viagra here. Cucumber, ginger. A lot of it's all written in French and Arabic. Turmeric. Oh, turmeric.
But you can make it in powder.
Oh, you mash it up in the powder.
Cinnamon.
Oh yeah, no, I recognise that as cinnamon.
This mix ras hanout with the 35 spices.
Whoa.
It's Moroccan spices. It's very nice. I have a powder.
Oh, so you mix them all in that?
Yes, yeah.
And yeah, you can see that there's a... I'm just making a little video here. Yeah. Oh yeah.
35
Oh,
spices.
blimey.
And they have mixed for tagine, for fish, for chicken.
Yeah, the other bloke, you all sell the same.
Sorry?
You all sell the spices.
Yes.
All these stores still sell the spices, yeah.
I have paprika, curry, cumin, chili, all the spice. Fresh spice.
But I've just got here today,
Okay.
but I'm going to be here for 5 days, so I can see. And when you mix them up, how do you sell them? In a bag?
Yeah.
So you fill a bag,
Yes.
and how much is a bag of the mixed spices?
What do you want? 100
No,
grams, 200
like 100,
Yeah, sirau here.
100 grams.
Yes, 100 grams.
And that's how much is that?
I have the price here.
Oh, it's
100 grams,
40 dirham.
30, paprika 20.
Oh, right, okay. All right. Shukran.
I give you my card.
Yeah,
Like this, when you come.
I know where you are. Rachid. Rachid. Oh, okay, great. So there's a lot of little spice stores here. They've all got more or less the same things. Let's have a look at the... Let's come up this way. Oh, that's an unusual fish. It looks like an eel. It's more of the same. Well, I wouldn't know what they all are. But I bet they're freshly caught. Oh, the birds are taking a chance here. That looks like calamari there.
Calamari.
Yeah, it looks like calamari. Snapper.
Sea bass.
Oh, a sea bass. And these little ones?
C'est pajou.
Foshu.
Les pajou.
Foshu.
C'est la dorade. Adorada.
Oh, dorada, oh yeah. Alright, okay. The shrimp.
C'est cloué.
Well, what's the long ones?
Barracuda.
Oh, barracuda, alright. Oh. So what they do is they, am I right that if you choose a fish, you can cook it here?
السلام عليكم.
Fantastic.
C'est les gris.
And you,
What do you
well,
want?
I really got no idea.
C'est les gambas.
You have dorad, you have
Um,
gambas, you have
I quite like calamari.
squids. You have
Yeah.
calamari. Yes, nice. Good.
Alright.
This one?
Yeah.
This one?
Yeah.
How much platter?
How much is it?
This is one. This is for the pois.
Oh, you weigh it.
This is
You
fried.
weigh it.
You fry to grill.
Huh?
You fry to grill.
Whatever you want to do with it.
This is nice for fried.
Fried
Good
then.
for fried, yeah.
I'll leave it up to you.
Yes. This one?
Yeah, that's. Oh, yeah, that's enough. That's
You want
enough.
shrimps?
No. Just the calamari. All right. So you sit here. You sit here and you eat the food that they've given you. I reckon it's probably fresh. I'll sit here. Alright, I'll end this one now. They put down Coke and everything.